Hi, I'm Teresa, and my wife Corinne and I moved to Playa del Carmen, Mexico in the year 2022. We came here with our 5 fur babies. So why don't you join us on our adventures with all of the beautiful people and the beautiful places and enjoy. We appreciate you coming. So take care.
You can do it both. This is Madagascar plant.
Madagascar palm.
It's native from Madagascar.
Right.
Yeah, Madagascar plant.
Palm.
Palm.
Palm. Wow. Nice.
Look, everybody, it's Viva la Mexico. Hola. Viva Mexico. Yay. Maracuya o Jamaica.
Hola, Mama Bien, ¿y tú?
Maracuya o Jamaica.
K9 kindergarten.
So the food is coming, they know, and they look at that, look at that, look at that. Everybody, look.
Even the senior.
Everybody go outside.
Hey babe, what you doing?
Or I make some apple pie crumble cake.
Oh, sounds good.
Yeah, because it is the weather is kind of crazy. It's like raining and raining and raining. So that's make you feel good. And my wife love this cake, so I do it only for her.
much flour you got there, baby?
3 cup and 2/4.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. And now I put some sugar.
2/3 cups.
2/3 of the cup, which is, I never know. This is 1/4.
Okay. So did you put the lemon in the apples?
Yes, I put a lemon and a little bit more sugar.
How much lemon juice are you using?
Just 1 full lemon.
The
Yeah.
juice of 1 whole lemon?
Mm-hmm.
And those lemons were kind of small, weren't they? But they were pretty juicy.
Yeah, small.
They were pretty juicy.
I put 1 pane degli angeli. It's a Eastern.
So we don't use that in the States.
We do, Italian.
But that's like a yeast that you use for
For cake.
cakes. And I think what it is, it's a combination of baking powder and baking soda.
I don't know. But there is a
And
vanilla.
vanilla. That's vanilla over
It's
there.
very good. So we put 1 glass of this.
And you can order those online from Amazon.
Yes. Oh, my friend, when she going to Italy, she bring bags for me, which I love it. So and now you mix it like that. Just mix it on your hand. Okay. Very fast, so very easy. This is very good. And very good. Huh?
It's a quick recipe.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh my goodness, you don't have the oven on.
No, I will.
Because it's got a preheat.
Yeah.
So, what's next?
2 eggs.
Okay.
And the butter. All the butter. Butter. Butter.
Hand it to your sous chef. Thank you.
And now I mix everything. Everything with the hand.
I think it's gonna look good. Look at that.
Okay. So I put a butter and flour so they can all stick together. Now I take the crumbs and I push it down. Now we put the apple.
Oh, you smash it?
You smash it.
Interesting.
Interesting, right?
Yeah, interesting. Oh, we should have had some more apples.
It was 2 apples, but
Oh no, next time we're gonna have to get like 4 apples. So it'd be real appley.
but because they were small, so you know.
Everything was small this time. The
I
lemons
know,
were small.
the eggs was
The eggs were small.
But it's going to be successful. Tell you. Tell you, darling. Tell you.
Of course it's going to be successful.
Okay. And now I crumble the rest on the top. See? Pop, pop, pop. And now I put this one. I don't know, this time it come out too
Soft?
Too soft. Usually it's coming with crumble, but I don't know. It's coming out good. Apple crumble cake. So now we're going to put in the oven at 180
Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit.
Yeah, for 45 minutes. Between 45 and 50 minutes. Okay? I'll see you later. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's ready. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Wow, look at that. It smells good.
It does smell good.
Can you smell it? Everything in the house smells so good. So we will try later on because now it's still cold, hot. So later on tonight we bring it with us. The last touch is the powdered sugar, and yeah, that make it done. But it can go without too. Depends on how you like it. So I like it with the powdered sugar
Or azúcar.
Azúcar cristal.
Glass.
No,
Azúcar glass.
glass. Azúcar glass. They call it here. In Italy we call zucchero a velo. Zucchero a velo.
Oh, zucchero a velo.
And so, look at and that's it. Look at that. Beautiful. We will try later on. Look.
Brava, Corinne, brava.
Grazie.
Corinne, look at that. This is so nice.
Yes, this is the moment of truth.
The moment of truth. Let's see that. Pie, cake pie.
You want me to cut one?
Yeah, you cut one for me.
Try it.
Is it good?
Very good. Come on, really. So, bye for now. See you next week. And if you like it, put a like, subscribe, and share.